In this video, we're going to be going over how to create playlists and series on TikTok. So TikTok has some options for creating playlists. Now, not everyone has this available to them. Once you start posting regularly and they start rolling this out to everyone, you will have it, but some smaller accounts do not have this feature. You may just be one of those accounts, but the more active you are, the more likely you are to get these features added to your account. So just keep that in mind when you're here. So if you want to create a playlist, kind of like you see in this bottom row down here where I'm scrolling, these are where I have my current playlists. Now, if you have not created a playlist yet, you're going to have to add them a little bit differently than just clicking add new playlist here at the bottom. So what we're going to do is make sure we click profile in the bottom right. So we're on our profile page. And then from there, we're going to click the menu, the three little lines in the top right. And then we're going to select TikTok Studio here. And you need to make sure that you already are a creator or a business page as well in order to have this. But once we get into TikTok Studio here, we're going to click where it says more tools here. So if we scroll down, we'll see more tools. And then if we scroll over to the right on that, we're going to see playlists. And we're going to click on playlists right here. And you're going to see all your current playlists that you have. And you'll have the option to click create new playlist at the bottom. You can label whatever your playlist is, click next, and then you can select which videos you want to add to your playlist. Now, each video can only be added to a single playlist. So you'll see these ones that are dark. I am not able to add to this playlist. Let's say I wanted to add these videos. I'd click the little bubble in the top right on these, click done, and then from there, it will create this playlist. And if I want to edit this playlist, I can click the three little buttons here and edit it or even delete it. So we're going to delete this one. We don't need it as a playlist. And then once your playlist is created, you can go back to your profile page and you can see all your different playlists here. If I click into them, you can sort these as well. So if you did want to sort all these different videos that are in your playlist, all you'd have to do is click on settings here and I'd click into my actual playlist and I can drag and drop these. And you'll see it will automatically label it part 1, part 2, etc. And I can choose how I want these laid out. So that's how you can create a playlist on TikTok.